morning, children. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvari. I am Vijayalakshmi, your maths teacher. So, how are you, children? I hope all of you are very fine and safe. So, in the last class, you have learned how to compare 5 and 6 digit numbers, isn't it? I hope you have practiced and learned how to do it. So, using this comparison, today we are going to learn to order the numbers. What is ordering of numbers? There are two types of ordering numbers. They are ascending order and descending order. I hope you remember that you have learned these orders in the lower classes. So, what is ascending order? The ascending order is the order of the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. And descending order is the ordering of the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. So let us see how to do it in this class. Okay, I hope all of you are very ready for that.
So, children, today we are going to learn about ascending order and descending order of numbers. Now, what is ascending order? Ascending order is ordering of the numbers from the smallest to the largest. Now, let us arrange the following numbers in ascending order. 5,67,438, 87,653, 4,25,680, 6,31,093. Now let us first count the number of digits in each number. 6, 5, 6 and 6. Now the number with the smallest number of digits is the smallest. Now let us compare the numbers with 6 digits. When we compare numbers with 6 digits, we compare the digits in the lakhs place, and we can see that the digit 4 is the smallest among them. So the next number is 4,25,680. Now the next number is 5,67,438, and the next number is 6,31,093. This is how we arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now let us arrange the numbers in descending order. What is descending order? Descending order is the ordering of the numbers from the largest to the smallest. Now let us arrange the following numbers in descending order. 5,74,525, 21,345, 3,62,416 and 8,95,472. Similarly, let us first count the number of digits. 6, 5, 6 and 6. Now, as we are writing the numbers from the greatest to the smallest, let us take the numbers with 6 digits. Now, we can see that the digit 8 is the greatest among them, which is in the lakhs place. So, the number 8,95,472 will be placed first. Next will be the 5,74,525. Next digit number 3,62,416, and the last number will be 21,345 as it has only 5 digits. So this is how we arrange the numbers in descending order. Children, I hope you understood how to write the numbers in ascending and descending order now.
So children, I hope you have learned how to order the numbers in both ways, that is in ascending and descending order. Now let us learn how to form numbers, that is how to build up numbers using the given digits. Okay?
Now let us learn how to form the greatest and smallest numbers using the given digits. Now first let us learn how to form the greatest number. To form the greatest number, we have to arrange the digits in the descending order. Now let us consider the given digits 5, 3, 9, 2, 7 and 4. Let us arrange them in descending order. 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. So the number is read as 9,75,432 and it is the greatest number formed. Now let us see how to form the smallest number. To form the smallest number, we have to arrange the digits in the ascending order. Consider the given digits 6, 8, 1, 2, 7 and 4. Let us arrange them in ascending order. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 and 8. And the number is read as 1,24,678 and it is the smallest number formed by the given digits. Now remember children, if 0 is one of the digits, it is always placed in the second place as 0 has no value in the first place. Let us see the example 204679 where 0 is placed in the second place. So this is how we have to form the smallest and greatest number using the given digits. Now let us see some more examples. The given set of digits 3, 4, 7, 2, 8 and 5. The greatest number formed is 8,75,432 and the smallest number formed is 2,34,578. From the next set of digits, the greatest number formed is 9,65,420 and the smallest number formed is 2,04,569. The next set of digits 576182. The greatest number formed is 8,76,521 and the smallest number formed is 1,25,678. So this is how we form the greatest and smallest number without repeating the digit.
Okay children, I hope now you have learned how to order the numbers and also to build up numbers using the given digits. So go through the YouTube video, write on the notes and also answer the review questions given. See you again in the next class with another topic. Till then, goodbye, stay safe and stay home.